Many of us travel through airlines, trains, buses. Now try to understand what happens in lavatory of airport. For example, airport like a Bombay, each toilet is visited by at least 60,000 people per day. There is a turnover of 2 lakh passengers, sometimes more. Of course, not during Corona period, but before. Even 10,000 people, 20,000 people visiting a toilet can bring in lots and lots of bacteria, viruses, and many microorganisms. It's very easy to get an infection from an airport toilet than your home toilet. But we have no choice, we have to use. So, what to do? First thing is you must have a pair of gloves because this can protect you direct contact from fomites like a door handles, flush handle which you touch. So wear gloves. Secondly, of course, so wear masks. And most important is even after wearing gloves, what you do is you must have a roll of tissue paper. What you do with the tissue paper? If you're using a seat of a commode, you put this tissue paper like this, at least 2 or 3 layers, so that your skin is not in contact with the wet surface of seat. Countries like India or in other developing countries, people hardly know how to use these Western commodes. For example, men, they urinate without lifting the seat, and seat will get contaminated with urine. You all know many infections come from urine. So mind it, especially young girls, women, and everyone, you must not come into direct contact with the seat, toilet seat. Secondly, whatever taps and other things you hold, you must have a glove. This is an important thing. And the last but most important, a spraying type of sanitizer, because the thick gel kind of sanitizer you cannot spray around. So you must have a spray type of sanitizer. So before and after you spray your hands, and last but most important, when you come out of the toilet, throw the gloves and remove that mask also. You wear a fresh mask outside the toilet. From your airport travel, when you go back home, make sure you remove your shoes outside and keep it in sun, because your shoe sole has traveled so many kilometers and varieties of organisms can get attached to your sole of your shoe. So mind it, you must sanitize your shoes by keeping in sun more than 1 hour. If they are dried in sun, most of the organisms will die. And put the shoes upside down. Made one video how to sanitize your shoes during Corona period. So be careful and save yourself.